Welcome back to 13 News this morning. We're joined once again with Miss Charlene Patton from the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we're making some snacks appetizers today. And we're making the Edamame Cucumber Dip appetizer. It was a winner at the State Fair in the Heart Healthy Recipe Contest. Third place appetizer division, Margaret Miller. So tell us how we make this, because you know I love dips.
And you know, I thought I saved this recipe because we are featuring this month game night for families.
Yeah, I see you've got our game stuff out here.
Yes, and I thought, you know, families probably got all kinds of games and activities. So why not have a family night where you're going to do that all together?
It's winter in Kansas. We've got to be inside anyways, right?
That's right. And we never know when we're going to have that school snow day
That's
to watch a movie. So this is a perfect recipe to have for that. I'm going to start with the dressing here.
Okay.
So you have rice vinegar here.
Okay.
I'm going to add our other soy ingredient, which is the soy sauce.
Okay.
And then we have another soy ingredient, which is our vegetable oil.
Yes.
There. And then this is garlic that I've minced, and a little bit of maple syrup that she added.
You minced it yourself?
Yeah.
Of course you did. I have to buy the pre-minced.
And then a little bit of salt. So we'll add that, and you're going to mix that all together for us. And then Raina and I are going to get together. Yes, we've got the edamame, and this is 1 12-ounce package. And then you're going to add she used English cucumbers. And I just diced those up. So, and
is English different than American?
They're longer.
Okay.
And they're don't have the seeds in them. So you'll see there's no seeds there for this.
Love that.
And she says it takes 2 cups. It didn't quite take 2 cucumbers because they're nice long cucumbers. Okay, now you're going to add the green onion and then cilantro there.
It's all green. I love it.
Yeah.
I know, it's like a little garden.
Oh, great. Nice freshness there with
Yeah.
that. Now you're going to pour in your dressing.
Oh, good.
There you go.
It smells really good.
And you could you could make this ahead of time. Let those flavors blend a little bit. But then she suggests serving it with a sturdy cracker, like a pita cracker there, because you've got that heavy vegetables in here. So a chip probably won't work as good. What do you think?
Oh, good.
What's your rating out of 10?
I'm 9.
Yeah, okay. That's pretty good.
So we have all kinds of recipes on our website. They can go to kansassoybeans.org. They can also call our 800 number, 877-KS-SOYBEAN, and we'll send them all the great recipes we have for family activity night.
I love it. Thank you, Charlie. I can't help it. I have to eat. All right.
Have to eat.
Well, stay with us. We're back right after this.